When we think about the rustic style, it often brings up cozy cabins in the woods, the crackle of a fireplace, and a deep sense of comfort that's both grounding and charming. Now imagine bringing all of that warmth and texture into your bathroom. The rustic-style bathroom isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that feels welcoming, natural, and incredibly soothing. In a world that moves quickly and leans more and more into sleek, modern design, the rustic bathroom stands as a little escape. It invites you to slow down, breathe, and really enjoy your surroundings. The importance of having a rustic-style bathroom lies in the feeling it gives you. Bathrooms are no longer just functional spaces. They've become places of self-care and relaxation, our own little retreats within the home. And the rustic style is perfect for this. With its earthy tones, natural materials, and handcrafted elements, a rustic bathroom encourages calmness. It feels like nature has stepped indoors, wrapping you in an atmosphere that feels both raw and refined. One of the biggest advantages of going rustic is the timelessness of the style. Unlike some trends that come and go, rustic design has this ability to remain relevant. Whether you're using wood beams, stone accents, or vintage hardware, the rustic look doesn't age quickly. In fact, it gets better with time. Weathered finishes, patinas, and imperfections only add to the charm. So if you're someone who doesn't want to constantly remodel or update every few years, a rustic bathroom is a solid choice. Another great benefit is how versatile rustic design can be. You can go full-on cabin style with rough-hewn logs and antler lighting, or you can mix rustic elements with modern touches for a more balanced look. For example, pairing a sleek white tub with a reclaimed wood vanity creates contrast and visual interest. It allows you to personalize the space without it feeling like you're locked into one aesthetic. Rustic doesn't have to mean old-fashioned. It can be elegant, chic, and even minimal when done right. There's also a sustainability angle that appeals to a lot of people. Rustic bathrooms often incorporate reclaimed or repurposed materials. Whether it's using barnwood for shelving or antique mirrors above the sink, these choices are more environmentally friendly. Instead of buying brand new everything, you're giving second life to existing pieces. And that's a win for both the planet and your wallet. Plus, there's something special about having materials in your home that have a history, a story to tell. Let's talk about texture for a minute. One of the most satisfying aspects of a rustic bathroom is how rich and layered it can feel. Think rough stone walls, hand-thrown ceramic tiles, weathered wood, hammered metal, and soft woven textiles. These textures not only add warmth, but they engage your senses. They make the space feel lived in, human, and authentic. In contrast to smooth, glossy surfaces that can sometimes feel cold or sterile, rustic textures feel cozy and grounding. Lighting is another area where rustic bathrooms really shine, literally and figuratively. Instead of harsh overhead lights, think of soft, ambient glows from wall sconces or vintage lantern-style fixtures. The goal is to create mood, not spotlight everything. Dimmers are your best friend in a rustic space, allowing you to adjust the brightness depending on whether you're getting ready for the day or winding down at night. Now let's get into some tips and suggestions for bringing a rustic bathroom to life. Start with the materials. Wood is essential, but it has to be treated properly if you're using it in a humid space like a bathroom. Reclaimed wood is ideal not only because of its character, but because it's often already seasoned and more stable. Use it for vanities, shelving, or even ceiling beams. Pair it with natural stone like slate, travertine, or river rock for the floor, backsplash, or shower area. These materials are durable and offer a raw, natural beauty that's hard to replicate. When choosing fixtures, consider finishes like oil-rubbed bronze, matte black, or aged brass. These tones feel warmer and more organic than shiny chrome, and they blend beautifully with rustic surroundings. Vessel sinks in stone or hammered copper can also add a lot of character to your vanity. And don't forget the mirror, a key piece in any bathroom. A wooden framed mirror with an imperfect finish or antique detail can anchor the whole space. Accessories should be simple but intentional. Think woven baskets for storage, linen or cotton hand towels in neutral tones, a vintage stool, or even a small wooden ladder to hang towels. Plants also thrive in rustic settings. Even just a few sprigs of eucalyptus in a glass jar can soften the room and introduce a touch of greenery. One underrated benefit of a rustic bathroom is that it's naturally forgiving. Unlike ultramodern spaces that demand everything look spotless and flawless, Rustic bathrooms actually embrace wear and patina. A few scratches, nicks, or uneven finishes don't ruin the look, they enhance it. That makes it a great style for families, for high-traffic spaces, or for anyone who just doesn't want to stress over every little detail. If you're working with a small space, rustic design can still work beautifully. In fact, it can help a small bathroom feel more inviting. Use lighter wood tones, keep your color palette soft, and use mirrors to bounce light around. A small rustic bathroom can feel like a private spa or a cozy cabin corner, especially with the right lighting and textures. On the other hand, if you have a larger bathroom, you can go big with dramatic features. Maybe a freestanding tub near a stone wall, exposed beams across the ceiling, or a large double vanity made from reclaimed barn wood. Large rustic bathrooms can feel like luxury retreats, especially if you incorporate elements like a rain shower, heated floors, or a fireplace, if you're lucky enough to have the space. Another beautiful thing about rustic bathrooms is how they appeal to the senses in such a complete way. Visually, they're calming and warm. Tactily, the mix of textures, from smooth stone to rough wood, gives your hands something to enjoy. Even the scent of certain rustic materials like cedar or pine can create an earthy, spa-like atmosphere. If you bring in natural scented candles or diffusers with aromas like sandalwood, eucalyptus, or vanilla, it enhances that connection with nature and relaxation even more. Rustic style also invites creativity, because it leans into the idea of using what you have, or finding beauty in the imperfect. You can mix and match pieces in ways that feel personal. You might use an old dresser as a vanity, a vintage ladder as a towel rack, or even antique crates for storage. These DIY elements give your bathroom a unique story, and they make your home feel more like a reflection of who you are, not just what's trendy. That personal touch is something people really notice and appreciate. It's also worth talking about color when planning a rustic bathroom. Earthy tones are your foundation: warm whites, beiges, soft grays, and natural browns. But don't be afraid to bring in deeper hues like forest green, navy blue, or even rusty red, depending on the mood you want. These colors work well as accents in things like textiles, tiles, or small decor pieces. The goal is always to create harmony with nature, so think in terms of natural elements: wood, stone, water, and sky. When it comes to maintenance, a rustic bathroom is fairly low stress. Natural finishes and materials tend to wear well over time, and since rustic design embraces a little roughness or patina, small chips or discolorations don't demand immediate repair. This gives you a little breathing room. Of course, proper sealing of wood and stone is essential in wet areas, but once that's done, you can expect the materials to age beautifully. If you're considering resale value, the rustic look has mass appeal. It gives off a luxurious yet homey vibe that many buyers love. It's a style that feels grounded, safe, and thoughtful, qualities that people crave in a home. And because you can design it to be subtle or bold, it has a flexible charm that can win over different tastes. Even if someone prefers modern design overall, most people can appreciate the balance and warmth that rustic elements bring to a space. One more practical benefit is the way rustic design handles lighting. With so much focus on texture and natural materials, you get beautiful shadows and depth, even with soft lighting. It's not about overwhelming brightness, it's about creating ambience. That makes rustic bathrooms perfect for winding down in the evening with a warm bath or starting your day in a space that doesn't shock your senses. Ultimately, a rustic bathroom offers a sense of grounding. In a world where everything is becoming more digitized and fast-paced, walking into a bathroom that feels natural, handmade, and comforting can be like a breath of fresh air. It connects you to nature, to history, and even to yourself. It's not just about how it looks, it's about how it makes you feel. And that feeling of comfort, warmth, and authenticity, that's something truly worth having in your home. So if you're dreaming of a space that's cozy, calming, and full of character, a rustic-style bathroom might be exactly what you need.